Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you, boy. So in this episode, I will be talking about pumps. Same with the previous one, but uh, if before we have the pump curve from the exhaust sheet, now how if we don't have any pump curve, but we want to simulate in a more rigorous way. So this technique is quite useful if you don't have the pump curve, but you still need to have a rigorous simulation. So you can generate your own pump curve with the minimum data required. Note that this technique only applied in pump only, but not in compressor. Okay, so first I will add pump here. First we will simulate this in design mode first. Okay, with the discharge, for example, 10 bar. Okay. So we already have our pump in design mode. So now what we can see is in the rating tab, you could see there's a generate curve. Okay. So first, the data is about design capacity. So basically, at what flow this pump is designed to be. So usually you put like some margin from your current operating capacity, and then the design head. Design head means that it relates with the pressure. So at this capacity, what is the outlet pressure? The next thing is the design efficiency. So during the design capacity and design head, what is the efficiency? And then the design flow factor. It means that with your current design flow, what is the maximum flow? It is come from 2 times of the design capacity. About the head means that with your current head, the maximum head is 1.1 times. It is the same as well with design efficiency, and for the design speed, it is relates to the speed at your uh, design capacity, head, and efficiency. And we also can specify the low speed and low speed. So 60% of the design speed is low speed, 30% of the design speed is low speed. And this is only like preliminary is only, right? So no need to worry about this. And again, I want to mention about the speed in this simulation is not really useful actually. So we can treat as only a number, so we can put it here for the pump speed. Okay, so basically what I do usually, I use this pressure head. I will copy, okay, generate curve. I will put it here. For the design capacity, I will use this one. Okay. I will leave the design efficiency and everything in default. So let's see what the curve look like. Now I will plot my curve. Okay. We change the color first. Okay. Yeah. So now you can take a look at our current flow. The design flow is at 1 meter cubic per hours because we set the flow factor as 2. So the maximum flow we can get is 2. enter cubes. And then about the head, it is 1.1 from our current. So right now our head is 90. So if you have a quick count, 110% of the 90 is around 100. Yeah, around that number. So this is what it means by the design head versus the maximum head. The factor is 1.1. And then we could also see the efficiency. So right now our efficiency is here. Okay, where's the calculated one? Let me see. Sign. Okay. Yeah, we need to use the curve and move. Yeah, so use the curve. We'll remove this and this. I will put the speed. The speed is 150. Okay. Yeah, you could see here. We'll change color again. Okay. Yeah, our speed is 70%. It is the same according with this design speed 70%. And the addition efficiency factor is 0.9. So the lowest is like as 90% of 70, which is around 63. Okay, so that's what meant by the design efficiency and factor. So our specified efficiency is the highest efficiency that we can get, where the other, yeah, like the head and flow is the multiplier for to get more flow or more head, but efficiency is lower. Yeah, the factor is lower, so 0.9. So yeah, then the speed, yeah, we could get 3 speed. You could see from the curve, we have 3 curve, right? And so the pump curve 3 is what we specified at the design speed, around 50 RPM. And then the low speed is 60%, which is like 690 RPM. And the last one, it is low speed, 30%, it's around 345 RPM. Okay, so we only put minimum information, but we already get a regular solution. So you can try that if we play with this, and yeah, basically it will work the same as the previous episode. So we can play with the flow, play with the composition, play with the temperature, and it will affect the head and duty also. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next content.